Good morning, traders and investors. It's Thursday, and the US stock futures are signaling a cautious start to the day. After the recent rally powered by the US-China tariff pause, momentum is cooling off. Dow, S&P 500 and Nasdaq futures are all down between 0.4 and 0.8% as we speak. Some key movers this morning. United Health is down nearly 5% following reports of a DOJ Medicare fraud probe, putting pressure on healthcare stocks. On the brighter side, Cisco is rallying over 4.7% thanks to strong guidance, while Foot Locker surged a stunning 71% amid rumors of a $2.3 billion buyout. Energy stocks are under pressure as crude oil prices dip, driven by optimism around a possible US-Iran nuclear deal. Meanwhile, all eyes remain on Fed Chair Jerome Powell's upcoming remarks and crucial economic reports, the Producer Price Index and retail sales, that could steer market direction. The Fed is also reconsidering its policy framework, facing criticism that its employment-focused 2020 strategy delayed addressing inflation. This could lead to shifts announced at an important upcoming conference. Across the pond, Eurozone key 1 GDP growth has been revised down to 0.3%, while the UK showed a stronger than expected 0.7% growth, but faces challenges from trade slowdowns and rising costs. The US dollar remains under pressure amid ongoing de-dollarization debates, with economists divided on whether this is a temporary dip or a longer-term structural shift. Top pre-market volume movers for May 15, 2025. We focus on US market movers, key trade setups, and actionable insights for traders. Foot Locker Inc. is showing significant pre-market activity with a volume of 12.02 million and a gap up of 68.53%. The ATR is at 6.56%, and it operates within the consumer discretionary sector. The pre-market notes highlight a long upper shadow pattern, indicating selling pressure. The price is currently above VWAP, with a pre-market close at 23.51, compared to VWAP at 12.95. Key levels to watch include the major inflection point at VWAP 12.99 and psychological resistance near 23.50. The setup style for today is a fade or trap reversal. If the price holds above 23.50, there is potential for a squeeze higher toward 25 or more, though this is unlikely without volume follow-through. If the price fails below 23.50, look for a fade toward VWAP 12.99 or lower. Ensure tight risk management near 23.50 for short trades. Nvidia Corporation, ticker symbol NVDA, is currently showing a pre-market volume of 4.84 million. The stock has a gap of 1.34% and an ATR of 4.11%. It belongs to the technology sector. Pre-market notes indicate no clear pattern for Nvidia. The price is near the VWAP, with the pre-market close at 134.22 and VWAP at 134.03. Major inflection points include VWAP at 134.03 and resistance near 135.50. The trading setup style for Nvidia is either a breakout or a fade. If the stock breaks above 135.50, the target is 137 or higher. If it fails below 134, the fade target is 132.50, with risk managed near VWAP at 134.03. Alibaba Group Holding Limited, ticker symbol BABA, is under focus today. The pre-market volume is at 1.92 million, with a gap down of 1.60%. The ATR is 3.41%, and it belongs to the consumer discretionary sector. Currently, there is no clear pattern in the pre-market. The price is below the VWAP, with the pre-market close at 126.99, compared to the VWAP at 133.52, indicating a bearish bias. Key levels to watch include the VWAP at 133.52 and support near 125.0. These are major inflection points for today's trading. The game plan suggests that if the price breaks above the VWAP at 133.50, the target is 135 or higher. If the price holds below 126, the strategy is to fade toward 125 or even 122. Risk is managed near the VWAP at 133.52. Supermicrocomputer Inc. is in focus today. Volume is at 1.65 mem, with a gap of -2.04%. The ATR stands at 7.23%, and it's part of the technology sector. In the pre-market, there is no clear pattern. The price is below VWAP, with a pre-market close at 44.06 compared to a VWAP of 44.95, indicating a bearish bias. Key levels to watch include the VWAP at 44.95 and support near 43.50. Today's setup style is focused on fade or bounce strategies. If the price breaks above VWAP at 44.95, the target is set at 46 or higher. If the price stays below 44, the strategy is to fade toward 42.50, with risk near VWAP at 44.95. Teslink (TSLA) is under focus today, with a volume of 1.53 million shares and a gap of -1.88%. The ATR is 5.2%, and it is part of the consumer discretionary sector. Pre-market notes indicate no clear pattern. The price is below VWAP, with a pre-market close of 304.34 compared to VWAP at 344.57, suggesting a bearish bias. The major inflection point is VWAP at 344.57, with support near 335. The setup style is identified as fade or bounce. The game plan is clear. If Tesla breaks above VWAP at 344, the target is 348 or higher. If it fails below 340, the fade setup targets 335, with risk near VWAP. That's your morning edge. Stay nimble and ready for either direction as the market opens. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for daily insights, and hit the bell so you never miss a trade setup. For deeper analysis and further updates, visit our blog at www.expertradeai.com/blog and join our trading community. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and let's make today count.